Hi, my name is Jennifer Duffel, and I am turning in project number 3. I have chosen option number 2. I have developed and made a lesson plan and I will talk about how it utilizes some of the theories of education. Today, my lesson plan is going to be in the unit of cells, specifically with the topic being animal cells. My lesson activities are going to start out with the introduction of the animal cell. In order to introduce it properly, I'm going to have the students define and describe the organelles of the animal cell. Students will write the definition for each organelle. This is really going to utilize constructivism. This way it kind of gives the students a little bit of background knowledge. That way they fully understand, one, what a cell is, but two, that a cell isn't just one component, that it's several different things that work together in order to have the cell do its job properly. So that's my goal there. Then secondly, students will then look at models and learn the placement of each organelle within the cell. And then my favorite part, the students will recreate an animal cell out of candy. This is such a fun project. We love to bake cakes. You can use all kinds of different candies to make all different kinds of organelles and different parts. And then, of course, at the end, you get to eat the candy, eat the cake, which is the best part. It's a little bit of a reward for a job well done. But this really, really utilizes kinetic, and especially tactile theories, because it's very hands-on. They get to get out of their chairs, they get to do something, they get to look, they get to use their hands, and it's just a really good way for them to learn. That's not just staring at a PowerPoint, on a screen showing, okay, this is such and such, this is such and such part of the cell, and this way they actually get to see it for themselves and touch it and do it and really learn. My objectives is that the students will be able to identify the parts of the animal cell and that they will learn each process of each organelle. For example, by the end of this, I want each and every student to be able to tell me that the mitochondria is, the powerhouse of the cell. And the way I'm going to do this, or the way I'm going to assess this, is through vocabulary quizzes. I'm going to have lots of worksheets with matching, so I want them to be able to match the organelle to each individual process. Of course, I'll do a test. But probably most importantly, the best way I'm going to assess this is a completion of their animal cell. I really want them to jump into this part of it, because this is how I think they're going to learn the best, when they actually make a cell for themselves. So if they do really good, I'm going to give them a really good grade. So that's how I'm going to assess this whole project. Anyways, that is very short and sweet, to the point. I'm doing an animal cell. I think the kids are going to learn great this way. I hope I was able to clearly explain it to you. I'll be turning in my lesson plan along with this video. And always, thank you so much for taking the time to teach us this semester. I've really enjoyed your class, and I feel like I've learned so much as a new teacher, and I'm excited to kind of implement some of these theories into my own classroom. So I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful semester. I hope your Thanksgiving was great, and thanks for teaching us. Have a good day.